It is everyone's most awaited episodes because we love the pambansang activity of Chismizan. Chismizan. And now we're doing our 2025 roundup of the best in Kachipan. Philippine showbiz Kachipan. Ang dami nangyari last year. Welcome back, MJ Felipe.
So
Woo!
guys,
Pew, pew, pew,
this is our
pew!
reunion and syempre I can't miss, Kwentuhang Kachipan. I love it.
Yes. Parang
Naala
makes you so
naalala
nostalgic.
naalala ko tuloy dati meron akong storyang cheap na cheap. Tapos sinabi nung boss namin, "Ang cheap-cheap!" Pero I love it. Sabi niya
Are you allowed to say which story that is? Or?
yeah, yung artista, I think it was Marco. Who's the husband of Precious Lara Kigaman?
Marco
Um,
Alcaraz,
Marco
my
Alcaraz.
ex-cousin.
Oo, parang yung dog niya yata namatay. Tas ginawan ko ng
And then,
no, nothing
yun,
funny about that.
ginawan ko ng storya. Tas parang, "Ano yan?
Okay.
Namatay lang yung aso. Storya na? Cheap-cheap!" Sabing gano'n nung boss ko. Pero I love it, sabi niya ganyan. Okay.
You know, chismis naman kasi makes you healthier. I don't know if you guys read that study.
Really?
Yeah.
That's why glowing si MJ, oh. Tingnan mo lang yung
Oh my God.
window niya.
Glass skin.
Oh no,
Oo.
oh no. Okay.
So Quark and I had to do a refresher of 2025
Perfect.
just to remember what happened to a lot of things happened pala in terms of
Okay.
like love and family and scandal and corruption. But where do you want to start, Quark or MJ?
Yeah, what's no? Are we gonna do? Because last time we did it in order throughout the year.
Calendar year.
Yeah, so I guess we can do that, no? I mean, as usual, parang the exciting stuff always happens November, December.
Oo eh. Saka alam mo ba, can I just share this? I don't know if we can air this or what. Pero usually, yung mga controversial na sobrang juicy chismis doesn't make the news.
Why?
Kasi
That's
walang
what
proof
podcasts
eh.
are for.
Okay. Puro alleged.
Puro
Okay.
siya
Yeah.
alleged na ganyan. But ako for me, isa sa mga pinaka pasabog talaga for 2025 was the Ellen Derek. I think that for me is like isa sa mga talagang main
Yeah.
dish.
And that's probably the last one we'll get to. So perfect.
Okay.
But how was the
Okay.
year 2025 in general?
Chismis wise, masaya siya kasi
Chismis-wise.
parang talagang parang
Busog.
oo, busog eh. Parang lahat talaga all went out eh. Yung mga artista parang mismo sila na nag-upload. I mean like the Gerald Julia Hiwalayan, 'di ba? Parang lahat came out eh. Tapos ngayon recently yung mga it's January na pumutok yung mga blind item about a certain couple na
I'm still guessing who it is.
'di
I'm
ba?
still like
Parang
seeing
goody-goody
myself.
image tapos yung pala
Yeah.
the guy is on having some side chicks parang ganyan.
Yeah.
Oh, alam mo na kung sino?
Hindi
Ako
pa. Pero alam mo na ba kung sino?
Saan lumabas? Hindi, di ko alam.
Like,
My guess was
alamin
wrong
natin.
because they came. My guess was Marian and Ding Dong, but then they came out with a statement saying it's not them. Cha-cha-cha. So
wala
Just
namang
to head
aamin
off
eh.
any,
Ano, aamin ba?
wala nga namang
Saan sa
aamin.
Fashion Police? Sa Fashion Police ba to?
No, on
I think
Reddit
so.
yata or
Is it
X.
Reddit?
Yeah.
Mm.
I think Reddit is
Okay,
the new Pinoy exchange.
What's the subreddit? I think it's showbiz, right?
Uh-huh.
Showbiz news or something
Uh-huh.
like that. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Pero wala
But
siyang
we-
filter, di ba? Like Dumois or...
No, because it's Reddit, so everyone's
Yeah,
like
so anyone who's
behind an
post.
identity.
Right.
So, ano yung kwento? Ano yung kwento dun?
Wala, parang blind item lang siya, Quark. Sinasabi lang niya na parang there's this parang couple na maganda yung image pero the guy nga does side chicks. So
Power couple who
power
always attend the
couple.
red carpet events
Oo.
together, and then they are both successful in their industries. Doon ako na-throw off eh. Na parang-
Industry, magkaiba.
Yeah, doon ako na-throw off. So,
Wow. And I
So
can't
yun.
believe Ding Dong and Marian came out with like a public statement based on a freaking Reddit
No,
comment.
kasi their names are being mentioned talaga sa
Yeah.
comments.
Yeah. I mean, they're usually quiet, but sila talagang name eh.
So syempre
Oo.
siguro yung mga advertisers nila, 'di ba, may mga clause
Yeah,
naman
they're
kasi
worried.
yan.
Mm.
So,
Damage
Wow.
control.
yeah.
And then I was asking my friends who parang they're co-parents of the couple in BSM. But they were like, but they're a great couple. They're always together. Ganyan. Na ako din nagdig.
You're reporting.
Oh,
I'm reporting. I was curious.
Grabe.
Okay.
Okay, so 2025.
Let's go to your
Breakups.
listahan. Let's go.
Breakups.
Sige.
Okay. Sino ba yung nag-break this year? It was Bea and Dominic Roque.
Oh yeah, early this year.
Bea
Teka,
and
ano yan? Runaway
Dominic.
bride ba yan? Ano yung kwento dun? Hindi. Ay, hindi.
They were
Were they
engaged,
engaged?
right?
Yes, they were engaged to be
They were
married.
engaged.
Oo.
Ano
Tapos,
nangyari?
ano bang chismis dyan? Okay, wait. Let me recall my head. Naalala ko, it all started when I interviewed Dominic Roque in an event and asked him, anong update sa kasal nyo ni Bea? And
Mm.
then, he started saying na parang, lahat yon siya ang may in charge, siyang busy with everything. Tapos nung time na kasi na yun, I asked Dominic, invited ba si Catherine? Catherine kasi is a good friend of Dominic. Si Daniel, invited din ba? Parang, ewan ko, di ko na maalala kung anong sagot ni Dominic sa akin noon. Pero that cost, parang nakarating kay Bea yon, parang ganon ang sabi. It's parang hindi pa man natutuloy yung kasal, nanega na. Parang ganon.
Did she break up with him or he broke up with her?
She broke up with him. She called it off.
So, wow.
Oo.
So, ikaw ba yung cause ng ano?
Hindi naman. It's just,
Joke lang.
doon lang nag-start after, parang, nagsimula na umingay yung hindi natuloy ang kasal, it was called off. The next thing we know na lang is Bea's being courted by this Vincent guy.
How long
Oh.
were Bea and Dom together?
Parang
Was it
pandemic.
like a long engagement?
Oo. Ay, hindi naman long engagement yata. Naalala ko pa nga yung engagement. Oh my
Well, I think Bea has found a very promising new love in Vincent Ko.
Yeah.
The heir to the pure gold empire. So,
right.
good on her.
Ang sabi pa buntis daw kasi may mga photos na parang medyo.
I saw that. Yeah, but I think she denied it.
She denied
no?
it.
Parang
Sinabi
yeah,
lang
yeah.
na busog lang.
Kawawa naman these Weight Watchers because even Jasmine Curtis got a lot of flack for gaining weight. Parang
Huh?
ang dami she had a lot of bashers na parang iba na yung mukha niya, ganyan, nagparetoke. And then
This
she
is
had
the
to
one
come
that
out and
yeah.
she had to come out and say, guys, I gained weight. So I'm sorry na, but I gained weight. And I think she looks
Si
great.
Carla Estrada rin nung nagpunta sa PBB last month. Parang people notice iba yung mukha, iba yung teeth, iba yung cheeks, iba yung face. Tapos parang even my boss messaged me na parang nagpagawa ba si Carla? Can you ask? So
And
close naman kami ni Carla. So parang minessage ko siya. Uy, may kumakalat na nagpaayos ka daw. Parang ganun yung ko. Like, meron daw something in your face, kakaiba. Nung nag-guest ka sa PBB, binisita mo yung anak mo. Sabi niya, Mari, wala yun. Iba lang yung angulo. Saka iba yung camera kasi ng PBB. Ano ba naman kayo? Which is true naman kasi I saw her face to face. We did an interview. So, yun lang. Just to support yung kwento ni Mel na ang dami talagang nakaabang na fans sa looks mo. Parang,
well, this is my
Oh.
last comment on that. I was very, very impressed by Aiko Melendez's weight loss. Because she looks fantastic. I don't think she's looked this good in decades. Ang ganda-ganda niya. She's so payat.
Yeah. So,
Naging in na ba yung Ozempic dito? By the way, just like
Oh my
everybody.
gosh. Parang for 2 years na, Quark. Welcome to the program.
Okay. Okay, we also have Catriona and Sam. Ano nangyari
Yan,
doon?
finally
What
naman kasi
happened?
napaamin ko na. Kasi parang
Oh.
nagkwentuhan kami ni Sam. It was a press con for Saving Grace, yung Prime Video series niya. Tapos,
Mm.
every time I would approach him, he would like, I don't wanna talk about it. Ganyan yan.
Okay.
So, okay, fine. Lumalabas na yung issue na it was, the third party daw was Moira
De La Torre.
Torre.
Is that why she was let go from Sam's talent agency?
Management,
Diba?
hindi naman.
Management?
So, ang dami ng mga parang fake, siguro fake news or misinformation about the breakup na I had to tell Sam, sabihin mo na kasi. I mean, just admit it. Kung hiwalay na kayo, para tapos na. Para wala
Mm.
nang ganyan-ganyan. So, ayun, na-convince ko naman siya. Medyo gumagana pa yung convincing powers ko. Inamin na niya na wala na sila. Tapos si gano'n din, si Catriona, after a few weeks, na-approach ko na siya. Before, dati allergic siya sa akin. Talagang pag nakikita niya ako, natataranta siya, na mapapaamin ko siya. Pero nung umamin na si Sam, umamin na rin si Kat.
Another couple that we actually broke the news of maybe 2 years ago, right, Quark? Because we already knew what was happening.
You heard it
Liza,
here first.
you heard it here first, and I
Is
saw
that
some
so?
tweets saying, "Wow, Enslate, I think named a showbiz couple, ganyan, and their
Nakita ko
kasi
yun.
diba? Liza and Enrique Hill, I think, publicly called it quits.
Mhm.
Finally, after so long. But amicable naman, they're split, right?
Sana. Mukha naman.
Parang.
Oo.
Oo.
And
Pero
she's still in LA.
Yeah. Di ba nga
Yeah.
may chismis na linking her to Jeffrey O,
That the guy
Oh.
from Careless Music
from
na
Careless before.
hindi na rin nakasundo ni James Reid.
Yes.
Mm.
Quark
So
also talked
this
about
why
this
she's
at
not.
length.
Huh?
You also talked about the Careless guy at length. Last
Oh,
Kachika
did I?
Night. Yes, you did.
What
Yes,
a
you did.
company
I don't
name
even
talaga.
remember anymore. But yeah,
You
more
don't
power to
care?
them. So is he managing her also? I don't even know.
I don't even know. But I think she's the face of Thai tourism. I'm not sure. I saw
No,
it.
that's Lisa from Blackpink. I don't know why
Lisa, not
I saw that.
Liza. I was like, what?
I was like,
I clicked
why?
on something. But anyway.
Yeah. Some
Anyway.
person threaded it. And then I clicked on the video and it was freaking Lisa from Blackpink. Labo.
God damn it.
But
Which would make more sense if it's Thailand.
I
tourism.
know,
I mean,
yes.
So other breakups, well, the biggest one talaga was Ellen and Derek.
No, the
I'm
Gerald
looking at the
Julia,
list.
di ba?
yeah.
Gerald
Oh, that's true.
Julia.
Oh my gosh. And I
Oh.
saw her when they announced it. I saw her. I was in a bar and then a bunch of Lorenzos walked in and then Julia was there. And I was like, this is weird that she's with. Anyway. Okay. Yun
She's
pala,
one of
nag-break
the
na sila.
clan.
Yeah, parang you daw yung the new guy, di ba? Parang,
Yan, and he was cute, because I had common friends with the group, and they were like, I was like, is that Julia Barreta? And he said, yeah, she's with ganyan Lorenzo. I was like, oh, I'm so confused.
what's
Wait,
kind
this
of
is
weird?
also the one where Erich married into? Is this family?
Yes, the
No.
Lorenzo clan.
Alam mo, ang weird.
Okay.
Na-weirduhan lang kami kasi parang nung umiingay na yung buzz about the hiwalayan ni Julia and Gerald, hindi kino-confirm ni Gerald. You know, he was just saying.
Why? Why nga?
I
Why
don't
was he
know
quiet?
eh. He was just saying.
Nahiya ba siya?
Oh, I don't know. Hindi ko rin alam. Busy.
Are endorsements at risk pag ganon? Is that why they're maybe cagey
No, because they're
about
not
it?
married. So there's nothing like that.
Ang
Okay.
bawal, ang ano lang yata, Mon, is yung pag ang clause nila yung controversy or scandals.
Oo.
Doon yata medyo
Wala namang controversy between Gerald and Julia. They just broke up.
Ang nangyari yata, masyadong naging busy na si Gerald. Busy to the point na wala na yata time for the girl.
Let's go on the
Sabagay.
record. What was their age gap with Gerald and Julia? Malaki ba?
Ay, tingnan natin. Parang hindi naman
Kasi
niya.
baka that's also part of the reason why
Maybe 10 year. I don't know. But
he's much older, right?
I
I
think
think.
so. Kasi si
Oo.
Gerald is 30 plus na yan. 36. So, tama, 36.
Mm.
And then Julia Barreto is 28. 8 years.
28
not so.
years.
I mean, it's okay. Not so
Yeah.
big naman. But I think they've
Mm.
both moved on already. Is Gerald seeing someone also?
Wala pa. Sobrang
Wow.
sub-sub sa work now si Jer, nagpapayaman. Julia nga, has been spotted with another guy.
Single ba ulit si ano? Single ba si Kim ngayon?
Kim Chiu?
No. Oh.
Sinasabi with ano daw, Paolo Avellino. Parang I'm convinced
Oh.
na may something na talaga dun sa dalawa. Cause
Wasn't Paolo seeing someone?
no,
Yeah.
May
Oo. Hindi,
girlfriend
yung
siya
anak
na
ni,
showbiz.
yung anak
now?
ni si Janine, di ba? Pero wala na
Ay,
yun.
It
Ano?
was Janine.
Yeah.
Yeah, now she's with Jericho.
Yeah, si Janine
Yeah.
yung una. Tapos, Diyos ko, Mel, gagawa ka ng naha-heart attack ang mga Kim Pao fans sa'yo pag naparod nila tong Ends Later.
Wait, since we're in the Lorenzos, should we talk about an adjacent news story there, which is the Dennis Padilla
Wedding.
brouhaha over the wedding of his daughter to another Lorenzo.
Claudia, di ba?
What happened nga there? Parang he was invited to the wedding, but he was told he wasn't going to walk her down the aisle.
Yes.
But I this is what I know from the titas who've talked to me about it, na parang sinabihan naman daw siya na hindi siya mag-walk down the aisle, pero invited siya. And then he went knowing all of this, but he still caused a
Scene.
ruckus sa wedding. Yes, a scene na bakit hindi ako naglakad, ganyan. But MG, go take it away.
So yun na nga. Tapos parang, syempre, parang, in-invite ka na nga. Parang ganun yung sinasabi nila eh. In-invite ka na nga.
Oo. Sinabihan ka na nga na, na hindi ka mag-walk the aisle. It's gonna be mom.
So can
Nakigulo
I ask what's the backstory? Like why was he not going to walk her down the aisle? Are they estranged or
Yes.
who did
Yes.
walk the aisle? Okay.
Marjorie.
I mean who was there someone who walked her down or
Marjorie.
Baka Marjorie.
Was it Marjorie yun
Oo.
yung gano? Okay.
Kasi matagal
Oo.
matagal ng absent si Dennis, especially yung growing up
Mm.
years ng mga bata kay Marjorie. That's why
Okay.
malayo din yung loob ng mga bata sa kanya. So,
Yeah. And
I
then
believe ako
supposedly
sa...
parang
yeah.
paawa si Dennis, diba? He put it to social media. I don't know,
Yeah.
did he post
He did.
the entourage or something? And then, but it kind of backfired because yun nga parang, oh, you're making this about yourself
Yeah,
again.
it's
diba?
her wedding and then parang pumapapil ka na, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Parang
Medyo
yun
may
nga,
ganun si
eksena.
Dennis na tendencies every time na kunwari birthday niya or birthday ng mga anak or a special occasion, lagi siyang merong controversial post about being left out.
Well, it's your choice. You weren't present. But then all my titas who were at the wedding, they were like, oh my God, why, this is why we don't mix with showbiz. Parang ganun, na parang,
Wow.
ang gulo-gulo.
This is the one where he was saying that he brought a gift. Parang that's all I
Yeah.
remember seeing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, what else pa ba?
Jay Cuenca and Chi Filomeno also broke up. Tapos Chi has been
Oh.
spotted with
Lolier.
yes, the cute guy. Yeah, ilang beses na.
Yeah, he's cute.
And in a shop or something. So
My God, parang no, yung uso ngayon, nagiging iniiwan yung celebrity boyfriend for social life.
right.
It's such a good playbook. As someone posted last
Oh.
year nga na parang there's a celebrity who made like a strategy plan for how to land billionaire kids, like Nepo babies. This is where you go, this is what you do, this is what you wear. Mga ganyan. Go to the Tatler
Wow.
Ball, go to the
Modern
Red Charity
romance.
Ball.
Oh my
ganyan.
God, it's the same
How-
playbook, Mel, nung mga nakikita ko sa post na how to spot a sugar daddy. Where to go.
My
Play tennis,
gosh.
play pickleball, hang out in Polo Club, mga
Okay,
ganyan.
at least
there's
ko na yung
there's
pickleball
a list.
Play pickleball, check.
Wait, so local celebrity yung gumawa nito? How to
Yeah,
marry into...
that's what I read. It was like a blind item na may celebrity who was so successful at landing a rich kid. She made and then her friends asked, how do you do it? And then she made like a list of things you have to do if you want to enter the upper echelons of society.
Oo. Pero yung ang trade nga nun, Mel, yung katulad ng sasabi ni Quark kanina na parang
Mm.
baka minsan hindi ka na payagang mag-showbiz or you have to limit
Yeah.
yourself na with the characters you portray,
Yeah.
the way you dress, 'di ba? Siyempre may image
Yeah.
ka.
Mm-mm.
You're marrying the family, not just the person.
You're marrying not the family, you're marrying the money. Anyway.
Mm.
The
Wow.
name, 'di ba?
Galing.
Saka look at Bea, medyo wala na talaga din si Bea, 'di ba?
Oo, quiet siya ngayon.
Oo.
Mm-mm.
And I
Yeah.
heard that the Phil Chai Taipans or that kind of world, they are more welcoming to showbiz relations versus
Oh.
the old wealth money.
The
So,
Spanish,
yeah,
Oo.
the Spanish money
Okay.
are more like
Damn.
ganyan.
Mag-aaral na.
No.
Ni hao ma.
No.
Mag-aaral-aral.
Oo.
Shishe.
So to my friends who are or people looking for tips, why don't you go for Phil Chai? The
Yeah.
Phil Chai wealth
Oo.
management. Anyway.
Ah, 'di ba? Mag-aral na tayo.
Next.
Okay. Well, si Marco gumabaw, but si Christine, was that this year? No. That was the breakup? Or was that even a non-issue?
Parang umingay din naman yan, pero parang this year ba yan? Although Christine is already spotted with a different guy, di ba? May move on na siya. Si Marco din parang
Mm-mm.
umattend siya ng isang event. Nakita ko may iba na rin siyang kasama. So they both moved on.
Yan.
Totoo ba?
Who else? Barbie Forteza, Jack Roberto, is that anything?
Totoo ba?
Who's Jack Roberto? Hindi ko ito kilala.
From GMA7, actor.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Does it count if they're from GM?
Yeah.
Sino pa ba?
There's a meme
Yeah.
about that, di ba?
But yun nga, the
Oo na.
biggest one is Ellen and Derek.
Yun
Sige, let's go.
Oo, yan. Gusto ko makinig sa inyo. Kasi ako nakikita ko lang talaga yung mga pinopost ni Ellen, na yung mga... Ay, meron pala akong alam. Pero mamaya na yun. So parang mga pahiya-pahiya ni Ellen, di ba? Yung mga ganyan.
Yeah. My God, Ellen's was on fire. IG stories is on
But
fire.
she's quiet na now. Thank God. Thank God.
Eh, kasi
ano
nag-move
nga
on
ba?
siya.
Parang it was basically a cheating incident that happened early on in the relationship, diba?
Yun ang
There wasn't
sinasabi.
anything.
Maybe you can say cheating non-incident. I really think she blew it up for
Yeah.
the gram.
Mhm.
Mm.
She really blew it up.
Kasi ang
So the
ano,
evidence she found pointed to a quote-unquote alleged relationship early on in the marriage or early on in the courtship pa lang.
In the
Courtship.
courtship ate.
Okay. And then, but there's no actual certainty of the relationship. It's just na when you see such sort of damning transcripts, it's like your mind just goes there. Ganun ba?
kasi
Yeah.
parang feeling ko spliced din naman yung text messages. I mean, kung
Yeah.
mag-post ka talaga ng ganun, lahat dapat sunod-sunod para makuha mo yung context. Kasi di ba ang nire-refer was the girl na close kay Derek matagal na?
Yes, she was
Mm-mm.
House of Ramsey regular.
Mm.
Na
For the
Mel, na si
uninitiated,
Mel
what does that
Lozano
mean?
daw.
Mel Lozano daw. Not me.
Was it you? Oh my God!
No.
Okay.
No, pero
Yeah, no, ha? To people who still ask me, are you the side chick? No, I am not the side chick.
parang friends with benefits na medyo nag-extend. Parang ganun di ba? Na parang, pero may girlfriend na siya. Ba't pa niya ako binubuti call? Parang ganun I think. No, those
She
were the
didn't even
transcripts.
mention booty call. She just said, why is he still messaging me?
Yes, why is
There's
it?
no such thing as booty. Kayo na nagdadagdag niyan She just said, why is he still
Ah.
messaging me, Ellen
Si
Claire
Mel pala
already?"
yata yung isa sa mga Reddit investigators.
Oh my God. I won't be surprised.
There was no mention of a booty call.
None. Kayo yun na
Okay.
nagdadagdag. Knowing Derek kasi, and he
House of
likes
Ramsey?
having an entourage. And he
Yeah.
likes having people in his house. And when Ellen arrived, I can 100% say it was like Jesus entering the temple and banishing everyone from the house. So I honestly, their the cheating
Except
allegations,
Victor Alba.
yeah, because of best friend siya. But I feel like the cheating allegations were way out of hand when they got, especially when they got married. They're inseparable. Derek never leaves the house. Ellen
Right.
never leaves the house. He plays golf
Mm.
24/7. She plays the piano 24/7. They're just always together. So feeling ko this girl na discover niya with the messages, nagka-overlap ng slide kasi Derek also can't end relationships. So, bumabelo pa yan eh na, look, I have Ellen na, ganyan, I don't think we should talk. But, he likes
Yeah.
having his hangers on. And
Mhm.
unfortunately for the girl who's much younger, she was one of those collateral damages when Ellen arrived. If that makes
Mm.
sense.
No,
Now, I'm
makes
not
sense. I mean,
defending cheating, but I'm just saying I know this guy. This is probably what happened. I also
mm,
know of the girl, and she's really, really nice and a bit naive. So, yun.
mm, yeah.
What can be on the record? Okay, ito.
Oh,
Okay.
MJ and I are quite close to Derek, so I guess. Well, for me, I will always be Team Derek. But when people ask me why did these two break up, and I always say, in a failure of marriage, wala namang tama, walang mali, 'di ba? There's something didn't work out. But between Ellen's crazy and Derek's crazy, they joined showbiz, so talagang may topak sila if you join showbiz, right? You're a narcissist, you're whatever, ganyan, ganyan. I will choose Derek's crazy. Kasi mabuti naman siyang tao. He's a great friend, just maybe not a good spouse or a good boyfriend, but he's a great guy. That's all I'm gonna say
Tapos
about it.
naloka pa ako, nagkaroon ng parang GC ng mga exes or something.
Yeah, like
wow, dude.
I
Talagang
can't
revenge
imagine
tour, no?
Solan joining a GC. That's so beneath Solan. But yeah, parang why do you have to do that?
Pati
Diba?
daw si
Why?
Angelica ini-invite na to join. Sinabi lang ni Angelica, "Wag mo i-screenshot. Jo-join ako pero wag
Oh
mo
yeah,
i-screenshot."
I saw that. Yeah.
Oh my God. Grabe.
But your
And then
mom,
the
Quark,
fact that they
also is very
recorded,
Derek.
yeah.
Di ba
I mean,
ninang siya sa
the,
wedding? Or no
yes.
ba? Oh.
And I mean, the fact that so early on, arguments were recorded. Parang, wow, man.
Oo,
That's
medyo ano na
really,
yun,
Yeah, that's
different.
bananas. Who in their right mind 2 weeks into the
yeah.
marriage would record an argument and of course sound na mabuti siyang siya yung good girl sa fight, 'di ba? And then Derek was saying that was at the height of the fight when she pressed record. I didn't know. Ganyan.
Oh
So
my
parang
God.
Someone
naawa
who's
din
been
naman ako.
through a prior legal battle. Ganon.
So when I pressed
Nice.
him, I think you can put this on the record naman. He just said, Ellen has a lot of issues and a lot of traumas, and this is how she kind of protects herself na lang in a relationship kasi this is what she knows in a
Right.
relationship na
Mm,
something's gonna go wrong. This is how I'm gonna protect myself.
Saka ang sinabi rin
yeah.
sa akin ni Derek nun was hindi talaga siya papatol sa kahit anong gawin ni Ellen online sa social media. Hindi raw gusto niya
Which
yung
is good.
yeah.
Good playbook.
Yeah. But in fairness to Derek, he just kept quiet, no? Parang ano.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
he would call like MJ, he would call me at like 10 p.m. Siyempre parang mag-isa siya sa apartment niya because this was at the time na this was the height of it, diba? And he was like, I'm so depressed. I'm just thinking of like jumping off my balcony, ganyan. And then you kind of have to be like, listen to him na lang and be a friend. Kasi everyone online is very like, Ellen's the best. She's like the patron saint of strong women. And I was just rolling my eyes like, oh my, why are we even making her the example of this, diba? Because this is
Yeah.
all calculated stuff. She knows how to play the press. But I don't want to say anything more. Yan.
So magaling pala siyang actress.
Magaling siya.
Oh.
That's all I can say. Magaling siya. Props to her.
On a journalist side, sobrang happy kami dun sa Ellen Derek because every day is news. Every day is news day. Parang naka-favorites na sa akin yung mga IG stories ni Ellen kasi dun siya naglalabas di ba? So
Yeah.
anyway,
Yeah.
But
Oh my
they've
God.
moved na. I mean, Ellen moved out of the house and she's still in this area. This is a funny thing. So one of my closest friends is now her neighbor. And I don't know if you can keep this, but they
Mm.
just make me kwento na, oh, Ellen moved in the neighborhood. And I go, oh my gosh, how is it? Ang ingay, ang ingay na ng enclave namin. Puro Bisaya, may nagkakaraoke, in and out, 3 a.m. And I was like, well, that's what happens when the circus comes to town.
Grabe.
Damn. And that house is for sale, or that house has been sold. Their house, their conjugal house.
It is not a
Yeah.
conjugal house.
It's
FYI.
Derek's
Okay.
house.
It's Derek's
It's Derek's
house.
Okay.
Ito, hindi naman to
Um,
break up, Quark, pero parang nagkakaroon na ng konting confirmation si Daniel Padilla with Kyla Estrada.
Is that true?
Yeah. So, the first time ay nagkaroon ng buzz about it was halfway through their series na Incognito. So,
Okay.
natutunugan na namin na parang there's something special going on. Hanggang sa nagpunta kami ni Daniel sa Korea. While having dinner, doon ko siya tinanong about it. Tapos parang sinabi niya, MJ, wag mo na akong kulitin. What you see is what you get. Parang gumanon siya. Tapos
Wow.
after that, what you see is what you get. Ayun na, na-spot na sila sa concert ng Four of Spades. They were together at Zanjo and Rhea Ataides' wedding. So basta dumadami na yung ano nila, yung mga appearances nila together. So, mas nako-confirm na may something talaga na sa dalawa. So yun, mukhang naka-move on na si DJ, nakahanap na ng new love.
Is the Casinel hive, are they like rabid or hindi naman?
Hindi na,
Parang they've
nag-ano na yun,
accepted.
na-dissolve na yun eh, nagkanya-kanya na. May mga natitira-tira lang na parang parang Aldab Nation na parang, still hoping na magkabalikan yung dalawa, parang ganyan. So, but hindi na yung mangyayari because they found new love. Si Catherine is being linked to a mayor, di ba? In
Ooh. May
Quezon.
single mayor pa ba out there? Meron pa pala.
So, may
Wow.
mga ganong di ba, chismis. Pero, yun nga, yung kayo sa part ni DJ sa ni Kyla, mas napapadalas na yung nakikita sila together.
MJ, well, speaking of love teams, I don't know if this can be on and off the record. Has announced his engagement? Oh.
Engaged.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kami alam. Okay, very good.
Wait,
I
how do you know?
I attended a dinner with and then she said, I'm engaged. And she went like that. I'm like, what? This was around November or
Oh,
October.
I guess we can break this news.
No, we cannot if she hasn't announced it. But she has a
Dinner in public? Dahil ka lang.
So of course
Oh my
our toast
God.
that
Flashed
evening
the
was
ring at the dinner?
congratulations. But I guess if it's not announced yet, so
Unannounced.
So but MJ ko may unang alam niya na they're
Text
Teka,
her, message her.
Announce ko
if
lang
she's
muna sa
ano.
Reddit, sandali.
No, close kami ni
So I wonder why they haven't announced it. But in our parties she says my fiance. She at the Christmas
Oh.
party she brought and she was like my fiance.
If she's not like asking people to sign NDAs and then Christmas parties, sinasabi mo na fiancé,
No, but it was a
parang,
small we were like 10 people in that Christmas party.
Ah.
So
okay.
And alam ko na, MJ, since you're close to confirm mo, then you can break it. Pero kung may break mo, listen to Slate for more details. You can have the
Lol.
scoop and then we can have the deep dive.
But she wears the ring, I think, publicly. So I don't know.
Ang problema,
Talaga?
hindi pa namin siya nakikita publicly ulit.
She was at the Wish
Oh.
Bus event last night, and I think she
Why
was
did
wearing.
you
Oh
ask
my
her, man?
God, kagabi yun!
I think she was wearing a
Oh.
bunch of rings, and one of those is her engagement ring.
Wow.
It's
Happy
nice.
for them.
I
Happy for
said
them.
no to that event because of pickleball.
Okay.
Pero mabait na we love her, so
Yeah.
She's really nice. Super
Mm-mm.
nice.
Super. All right. I love this. Any other new couples, marriage thingies?
Marriages
Um,
was so Zanjo got married. Who else pa ba got married?
Oh, you heard about
Uh,
the nangyaring gulo sa wedding ni Zanjo and Rhea?
Oh no.
Na nagkaroon ng confrontation daw si John Lloyd and Robbie Domingo.
Oh, I read this the other day.
Mm-mm.
Why?
Parang JL was drunk na naman, no?
JL was drunk. Well, I don't know
Ganun nga,
if he was
JL.
drunk, but yung
JL's
facts
always down good.
facts of the event lang, parang ang nangyari yata, na-offend si John Lloyd because Robbie was hosting the reception dinner. And then Robbie asked Rhea, how does it feel to be Mr. Marudo? Mrs. Marudo. Tapos pagdating kay Zanjo, tinanong, how does it feel to be Mr. Atayde? So, na-offend daw si John Lloyd for Zanjo. So,
Oh,
kinonfront.
no.
Parang, what you did was
A
wrong, ha?
triggered JL.
Parang ganon. What did I do? Parang gumanon si Robbie daw. And, ayun na, next thing na narinig na ng mga tao sa paligid is mataas na yung boses ni John Lloyd. Nagalit na siya. So, parang nilayo na sila and then they asked John Lloyd to, hindi naman leave, but nilayo talaga kasi yung medyo may tension na talaga sa paligid nila.
JL is the gift that keeps on giving talaga.
Yeah.
I
I've
love
been to parties
JL.
where he's just lying on the floor
Oh, yeah.
screaming and
I
everybody
was one time in Republic, I will never forget this. He was being carried by his bodyguard, and then a napkin was over his head by one of the bouncers pala, because he was just too drunk to move, and he was making a fool of himself in Republic. And then yun nga, when that I'll own you in this, and yun, in
Yeah,
Pravda.
I can buy your friends.
Buy
Yeah,
you
I was with
yeah.
I was with Anne that night when that happened, and the whole night JL talaga was, get away from us, dude. You're really being a dick. Kasi I was with Anne
Yeah,
and
she took one for the team,
Liz.
no?
That's
Huh?
in
I was with Anne and Liz that night.
7
in
to 7
Pravda.
Gramercy. That's
Sino yung si CJ ba?
Pravda,
Sino
Pravda.
yung-
Ay, Pravda.
Sino
Ano yun? Privé. We were in Privé.
Sino yung nagkalat doon? Si CJ ba? Hindi. Si
JM.
no. The one who got slapped supposedly. As another publishing person.
Sam
yan,
Concepcion, di ba?
Was it?
Yung
It was
yung sinabihan ni
JL.
Yung
Anne
sinabihan
slapped
ni Anne.
JL.
she didn't because she was covering for JL. She took one for the team. Nanggugulo si JL. And then parang and then siya yung tell your friends, yung line niya talaga, according to her, was tell your friends I can buy them. But parang wala yung I own your friends, I own your family.
Yeah.
But
so we were
basically, she
all-
was covering
were
for
all
some
super
shit John Lloyd did na naman.
Yeah.
Iconic
no, but
yun eh.
John
I can
Lloyd was-
buy you, your friends, and your
And your club.
And this whole
And your club.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Okay.
we were very drunk.
Oh
Yes.
my God. I love it.
And what else about? But maybe we should move on to the DPWH scandals.
Sige, wait. What I'm very curious about one thing. The Daryl Yap Pepsi Paloma movie. Did that ever come out? It never came out na, no?
Oo, wala. Teasers lang yung lumabas. Tapos hanggang sa nagkaroon ng parang court order to stop airing the teasers online and on broadcast. Up to now, they're still hearing it. Parang hindi raw magpapasettle si Bossing Vic eh.
Oh, nice. And then supposedly the people behind it allegedly are yung partners sa Itbulaga, di ba? Tama? Yung nag-fund.
Really? Like the tape?
Yan yung
Ba yun? Hindi. Ano?
Talaga?
Oh my God. Halusos ba?
Yeah, the tape
Uh,
incorporated.
Tape.
Yeah.
Yeah, tape
Paul?
is Halusos.
tape is Halusos.
Bullet.
Supposedly yun yung
It's Bullet's company.
well. So, anyway, okay. I was just curious about that, if that movie ever came out. So,
Hindi
Oh,
pa.
Okay,
in the interest of time, should we move
okay.
on?
Yes, let's go to DPWH. Who were the celebrities affected by that? Of course, Hart. No?
Of course, Heart. Di ba? Nawala na sa radar si Heart.
But she's
So
still
are all-
posting, right?
She's still posting, but are all the allegations true that he basically funds her lifestyle and that's why she can't leave him? You can make this off the record if you want, but that's my question.
Ganun naman
Na
yun.
binubuhay ba ni Cheese?
Oo, parang automatic na yun, di ba? Saka yung
Okay, ito off the rep.
yung ring, Mel,
Yeah.
'di ba yung parang
Oo.
controversial ring daw na nakuha binigay ni Cheese kay Heart, parang
Yun yung to get her to stay, di ba? Because she was about to leave, tama ba?
hindi ko
I
alam,
don't know.
parang
I think it was a
birthday yata
gift.
yun eh.
Yeah,
Oo,
birthday gift
birthday
siya.
gift.
Yeah. Apparently, well, yun nga, diba? The funny thing is, like, she owns Fashion Week, right? And no
Yes.
one can go to Fashion Week if she doesn't go to Fashion Week. So, so the Gabby Garcia went to Fashion Week. Pia is going to Fashion Week. So now it seems, yun nga, parang, I think that is the biggest
Loss for her.
dagger on
Yeah.
the
Hasn't
unkindest
Anne
of
also
all.
been going to Fashion Week anyway? Like,
Yeah.
or,
Yeah.
yeah.
And then Liza, so ano, but yun nga, I think the exclusive parties kasi she is the endorser basically.
Wasn't
So
there talk about her doing a comeback film or serie with Jericho? I wonder if that's still tuloy or not.
Ang meron now is
Stop
with
it.
Ann Curtis.
I'm so
Mm.
excited. I'm so
Yeah.
excited for this
Oo.
for this
Irene.
project with
Irene,
Direct
and it's Irene
Yeah.
Villamor.
Yeah.
Oo.
Yes.
Oo.
Yeah.
So, saka parang for me parang medyo nawala na sa acting limelight si Heart eh.
Mm.
Parang iba na yung
Yeah.
brand niya eh. I mean, kung babalik siya, would it still attract viewers?
Ibang-iba na yung landscape din.
Iba na eh. Tapos
Oo.
with the negative pa about yan nga, DPWH, yung association with Cheese, parang
Yeah.
Right. Do you have any takes on the Rico versus Paulo Valenciano thing, MJ?
the Cup of Joe? Rico Blanco?
Yeah.
Ano bang alam ko dito? Teka nga, let me rewind my head. Ano man nangyari dito?
Paolo put out a public statement on Facebook saying Cup of Joe basically did nothing wrong. They weren't late, but Rico refused to be not the headliner of the show.
Pero di ba dapat malinaw yun? Simula pa lang, in-offer pa lang sa'yo na you'll be part of a
That's
film.
what I asked. I asked Quark that. Diba if you're offered a show,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Apparently, so there is there allegedly there was a new person in the management, and
Of Rico.
Paulo, yeah, and Paulo was new. Basically, I think JBL, because Cup of Joe was the new endorser.
That's right.
JBL asked if Cup of Joe could go last.
Yeah.
And Paulo said, "Okay lang ba yan kay Rico? I don't think it's gonna be okay with him." And the new management person said, "Hindi, okay lang yan." And then sabi ni
Rookie
Pao,
mistake.
yeah, I need confirmation. So they called, and then there was like, no, or the guy gave oral. No, that does not sound good.
Verbal.
But verbal
Confirmation.
confirmation na pwede. That guy is no longer in part of the management. That guy no longer works for.
Of
He did
the
not give
Rico
good
Blanco.
oral.
Better if they just gave good oral.
We can't
Yeah.
end a showbiz roundup without the brouhaha at Medusa, without the thriller in Medusa
Sino
with
to?
Sarah Labati getting kicked out.
Ah!
We can't, because that was big news too. That happened side by side with Ellen and Derek, and then Sarah and Rocio and Medusa.
May updates ba dyan?
Na pinalabas. Tama ba ako, Mel? Pinalabas, di ba?
Escorted out
Oh
of
my
Medusa. But
Pero after party yan, di ba?
after party of the Tatler Ball.
Tatler Ball. There you go.
I don't know kasi if this should be on the record, but I was out one night with Tim, and then he made me kwento everything that happened that night. And then he said that sa Tatler Ball pa lang, when people were saying, "Hey, let's go to Medusa," dapat sinabihan na dapat si Sarah na maybe it's not a good idea for you to go to Medusa, parang ganon. But everyone's
Hindi niya alam.
No one knew that it was gonna happen. And parang Rocio naman was there also at the ball, and everyone was, keeping it real for for Anton, para lang there's no gulo, and we'll see in the Tatler Ball for as long as we can. And then when everyone moved na to Medusa, nauna yung party ni Sarah. I think Sarah was sitting with Pia or something, basta may table. And then when Rocio arrived, she went to her dad Inigo and then kind of slapped Inigo though like this, like that, and
Mm.
said, "Take her out." And then Inigo said, "Okay." And then he had all the bouncers naman civilly told Sarah, "I think you have to go." And then Sarah didn't make a fuss, stood up, walked out. Tapos sabi ni Tim, that because Sarah was wearing a mermaid dress, ganito pa daw maglakad si Sarah.
Oh my.
Paalas. Kasi,
Oh my God, these names I'm not gonna bleep out any of these names na.
but so funny kasi
Ikaw-
Tim pa did the whole yung dress niya, mermaid. So, syempre, hindi siya maka-big strides. Nakaganyan lang siya.
Oh.
Going out.
Oh my
Being
God.
escorted out. And then Tim arrived and he was saying parang he saw Sarah outside and said, "Why aren't you inside? Here, I'll bring you inside." And Sarah said, I was escorted out. And then Tim sought Inigo by the entrance because in Medusa may stairs in pababa.
Right.
He saw Inigo by the stairs and said, why is this happening? And Inigo said, Rocio said to bring her out. So I did. And then, and then the next day daw, Tim messaged Sarah and said, "I'm so sorry. This happened." Ganyan. And then Sarah messaged back, "It's okay. It's no big deal. I understand." And that was it.
Mm-mm.
The
In
common,
fairness naman kay
tama ako, the
Sarah.
common
Yeah,
denominator.
she handled it very well.
Aha.
Mm-mm.
Tama ba ako, Mel? The common denominator is may parehong ex. Isang tama.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, she has to
She
find
needs that,
ways.
she needs that strategy from the
She needs a
other
playbook.
Oo.
So I was jokingly telling friends, my advice to her would be find a Phil Chai. No, napapatol. Kasi welcoming naman si Phil Chai community to showbiz people.
Bakit ngayon lang naging uso to, no? Sana 10 years ago. Ah.
And the latest there is she's
Oh.
moving to the enclave where Ellen Adarna moved
Oh,
to.
no.
So that's gonna be
Enclave?
funny.
So the circus is really in town. Ika nga ni Mel.
Oh.
Anyway,
Oh my God.
yon.
Okay. All right.
Everything's happening in Ayala Alamang and, you see all the same people and may kwento with all the same people.
Depends which enclave you're in, I guess.
Parang that was her answer. Judge me na lang.
Judge me na lang.
Oh, that's a nice shirt.
Ibang-iba yan sa
Okay.
Only God Can Judge Me ni ni De Niro.
Saan
yung
yun?
tattoo niya sa Cape Fear, di ba?
Oh God, I love this. Thank you, MJ. You are
Oh, we're done?
always.
Thank
Oh
you,
my God.
MJ.
Oh, wait,
Wait, meron pa.
meron pa ba?
Ano, meron pa ba?
Oh, wait, okay. Wait, to wrap our 2025 year in showbiz, anything to look forward to in 2026, MG? In terms of projects,
In terms of babies,
collaborations?
so, di ba may mga preggy na moms?
Meron ba?
Yeah, Loisa, Andali and Ronnie, Robbie Domingo, kasi maselan yung wife niya si Mikey. So,
okay.
baka weddings, Mel.
Mm-mm.
Yes, baka weddings. Maybe this year. Not mine.
Nagkasingin na lang, baka weddings, yeah. We'll see, ano pa ba? Awkward, sino nang, Magellan didn't make it pala. I was thinking Oscars.
Oh,
Magellan didn't
yeah,
make it.
sadly.
Yep.
Mm-mm.
Well, in terms of projects,
Oh.
I'm so excited about Direct Irene's comeback film with Jericho and Anne.
Right.
Ano pa ba? And By Bust with Direct Eric Mati. By Bust
And
2.
Curtis.
Ay, ano yung ending ng MMFF? Hindi ano.
Well, as of
Hindi kumita.
yesterday, parang more than 300 million pa lang yung Call Me Mother. Tapos yung Shaker is more than 100 million. The rest are below 100. So,
Oh my God. So, mas kumita pa yung Rewind talaga.
well,
Yes.
Rewind is 980 million, di ba?
Wow!
No, I mean, sa the whole of the MMFF, no? Rewind,
So, totoo.
probably.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oo. Rewind talaga was big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Papasok pa lang yung international. We'll see. Pero siguro max niyan, si Vice, yung movie niya, it's just gonna go 400. That's it.
So, probably all in all, MMFF made 600, no?
600,
Or even
700.
less.
Yep, 600, 700. Bumaba
Yeah.
daw sila ng 100 million compared to last year.
Shit.
You really think it's a ticket price?
It is the ticket price, number 1. Number 2, walang pambata. So the kids are not watching.
Yeah.
True,
remember
because
you-
the Vice movie isn't exactly pang kids.
It's not for kids
And the Vic
anymore.
Soto.
Yeah.
Was there a Vic Soto?
There's no
or
Vic Soto.
No, Big Soto.
The
There's no
Shake,
Vic
Rattle, and
Soto.
Roll naman is R13. So
Yeah.
wala pa
Oo.
pambata.
Wow.
So remember, when you bring a kid, you get the mother and the father and the sister and the brother. So
Mm,
sa
mm-mm.
Quark, your
Hindi nila
request.
pinapanood
Jim
yung ano eh.
Jarmusch.
They don't
Ano?
watch the MTRCB PSA eh. The one that they got rid of,
Oh,
which-
thank God.
which now you kind of wish was back.
Yung kay Derek, yung tumatakbo. Yung,
And then yung family.
the family. Yeah,
Oo
yeah.
eh. Ngayon kasi sobrang haba ng bago eh. Ang
No, I haven't
tagal,
seen.
Sa Quark, yun, they're
Yeah.
saying na parang ang mahal talaga ng tickets daw for a normal family. Kasi
Yeah.
190 yung
Yeah.
pinaka nakita kong mura. So,
Sa probinsya na yun.
the
Oo,
probinsya, is,
400 yung
450.
ano, no?
probinsya is 200 plus. So,
Oh.
Yeah.
yeah, it's really expensive
Ah.
for the normal.
Si June Lana, di ba, put out a public post on Facebook about
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
And it's weird because I was talking with a friend, di ba, na parang yun yung Q Cinema was able to keep the ticket prices at 250. So parang, di ba?
Pero did it hit?
Parang,
Yeah.
well, no, but I mean, maraming nanood in terms of like, if one city can keep the cost of their festival at 250, you'd think some MMDA or whoever with more resources, I think, could manage
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Sadness.
Okay.
Oh, well. Okay.
Wait, MJ,
Well,
what was your favorite show and movie from 2025 as parting words?
Oh my God, movie? Oh,
One
God.
lang.
Alam mo, sa totoo lang, Mel, hindi talaga ako ma-Netflix or ma-streaming.
Oh.
Uwi ko ng bahay, massage chair, I'm done. Good.
But
Yeah.
you're in showbiz, so of
I
course you have to watch
know,
a
I
ton of things
know.
sometimes.
I know.
Ah.
Shucks, hindi ko maalala. Ano bang pinaka-paborito kong napanood na movie?
local or foreign?
Yeah, yun nga, inisip ko na nga, local or foreign eh. Actually, kami ng partner ko, manood kami ng movies eh. Every weekend. Pero wala akong maalala now na stick sa akin.
Text na lang. Text na lang yung cookie ko.
Remind me, ano
Oh my
ba?
God.
Ano ba mga pinalabas this year?
Call Me
Sinners.
Mother.
No, okay. Together.
Wow.
Yung
What a choice. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Wow.
super amazing.
Freaky yun. no?
Freaky.
I don't even want to imagine what you and your partner do
Parang
behind the
feeling
behind
namin, it's like the second to substance, the substance na gustuhan namin, na parang we were looking for something like that.
Body horror
Oh.
couple.
Body
ba
horror
kayo?
talaga.
parang,
You know, I
oh
still
my
haven't seen
God.
Together. I should watch Together.
Napanood niyo na ba The
It's kind of
Housemaid?
gross. I haven't
I've
seen
seen
The
Housemaid.
Housemaid.
Oh my God.
Masaya siya.
Super!
Oo.
And it made
Alam-
a ton of money, right?
Yep.
Yeah,
For a small
na-announce na yung sequel also.
Super good.
Damn.
Super good.
Okay.
Aw.
Nice
Thanks,
choice.
MJ.
Thank you,
you are a
guys.
treasure.
For
We love you
thank
so
you, Quark,
much.
for waking me up. You're my alarm.
Quark, good luck
We will
editing
see.
all the
I know.
behind, all the off the record stuff.
My social post is gonna be all the times we said off the record.
Oh, that's fun. That's super
Diba?
fun. Off the record. Off the record.
Thank you.
Oh my God. Bye, guys. Thank
See you next
So-
year.
More Chismes 2026. Let's go.